Just checking with you, see what's going on. Take a SwitchBlade. SwitchBlade, Mod Squad, Honolulu, right back. Aloha. Right back. I don't want to take a ride with 28, man. I don't want to steal the show. Take it now. Have a good one, SwitchBlade, Mod Squad, Honolulu. Bye. You got it going on in ambush mode. You got it going on though. Take your SwitchBlade, you got it working on that end while you work in the ambush mode. Mod Squad, Honolulu, read the mail. I see it now. Right back, SwitchBlade, right back. Somebody said if I don't hear them. But it's your fault there. Hey, SwitchBlade, Mod Squad gone now.
Hey, Mod Squad, SwitchBlade, SwitchBlade, I want to thank you for calling to your radio and never calling the show. Hey, Squad, SwitchBlade, sit down to my company. Bye-bye.
Right back, SwitchBlade. You take care, man. Have a good one. And take it to the guy calling Mod Squad. You have a good one, too. Mod Squad, Honolulu. Right back. Aloha.
I'm going to turn down. You tell him something, don't turn down the Thursday, but I'm going to turn down. Hey, Mod Squad, SwitchBlade, Wolfblade, I'm turn down.
You going to stand down? That's what you said, SwitchBlade. You're going to take a standby. That's what's going on. Mod Squad gone.
Where are you, Squad? I see you.
Yeah, right back. Mod Squad, Honolulu, man. Try to make that 28 out. Mod Squad, right back. Right back, BigAl. You take care, BigAl in Anolia, man. You working it in Honolulu? Hello, BigAl, Mod Squad, right back in Honolulu. Come on down.
That's my uncle. Hey, Mod Squad, BigAl is my uncle. Hey, Mod Squad, SwitchBlade said BigAl is my uncle. BigAl is my uncle. Take care, Mod Squad, SwitchBlade, Aloha.
Right back. You said that's your uncle. You said BigAl be your uncle right there. Take it, BigAl. BigAl, your nephew on the radio too there. Take it, BigAl, Mod Squad, Honolulu, right back. Aloha.
Hey, that's right. That's my uncle. SwitchBlade said BigAl is my uncle. BigAl is my uncle. Take care, Mod Squad, SwitchBlade, and my Mississippi. Hey, Mod Squad, this is my Mississippi. Bye.
It's all yours. It's all yours. SwitchBlade, it's all yours. SwitchBlade, it's all yours right there. SwitchBlade, Aloha. Right back. Okay, SwitchBlade, you take care, man. It's all your show right there. Take care, BigAl. You guys enjoy the day. Be Mod Squad right back. Mod Squad right back. I'm cruising Honolulu. The mobile gone. And there's a SwitchBlade Roger right there. SwitchBlade and BigAl. That's you guys Roger right there. Mod Squad Honolulu. Check back. Aloha.
Hey, Mod Squad, I want you to talk to your radio. Hey, Mod Squad, SwitchBlade said talk to your radio. Hey, Mod Squad, SwitchBlade said do not talk to you. No, talk to your radio. Hey, Mod Squad, SwitchBlade got down right there. Fuck that, Mr. Big.
SwitchBlade, you all over my radio, man. Ain't nothing BigAl can do about you, man. Ain't nothing he can do about you. You all over my radio. Come on.
Well, I'm not going to take advantage of my uncle. He's old. SwitchBlade said BigAl is my uncle, and he's old. So I'm going to send down to my uncle to do some talking. Take that phone later. SwitchBlade said something.
Right back, SwitchBlade. Right back, man. You got them all down in Honolulu. Take care, SwitchBlade. Mod Squad, Mobile. Right back in a minute. Aloha. Bye. Take it to each and every one out there from Mod Squad in Honolulu. Read the mail. I'll see you now. And PeaceMaker, you take care of Mississippi too there, PeaceMaker. Take care, PeaceMaker, Mod Squad, right back in Honolulu. Right back, SwitchBlade. Right back, SwitchBlade. You tell Jamaica if they can hear me. Tell Jamaica if they can hear me live on their radio. Mod Squad gone. Bye, PeaceMaker. Bye, PeaceMaker. Mod Squad, Honolulu. Bye, bye, bye.
Hello to you, ModSquad on BlackRooster in the Magnolia. Hello, ModSquad on BlackRooster, Magnolia. You didn't wait, bye.
Okay, BlackRooster, right there, BlackRooster. You have a good one too there. BlackRooster, Mod Squad, right back. Take it, BlackRooster, Mod Squad, right back, downtown Honolulu. Now, aloha.
All right, the ModSquad, I'm going to get it out the middle of the road. I just want to stop and say hello before you get out of there. That's the show. ModSquad, your friend, BlackRooster in the Magnolia, got down again. I'll see you later.
And I got it all because you put it there. I got it all because you put it there, man. Take it, BlackRooster, Mod Squad, Honolulu. Take them on care, BlackRooster, Mod Squad, downtown. Read the mail. Look at Mod Squad again. Look, Mod Squad, do it again. Aloha. And MedicineMan right there, MedicineMan, you can do it there. Take care, MedicineMan, you can do it right there. MedicineMan, Mod Squad, MedicineMan, Mod Squad, Mobile, Honolulu. Have a good day. And there's a MedicineMan, Roger, right there, MedicineMan. Mod Squad said right back. You're doing a good job, MedicineMan. Take care, MedicineMan. You're doing a good job in Honolulu, MedicineMan. Mod Squad, Mobile, downtown. Read the mail. Aloha. Hey, Mod Squad, Mobile said bye to PeaceMaker and a good time gang. Mod Squad, Honolulu, bye-bye-bye. Hey, Commander-in-Chief, Mod Squad said hello, man. Hey, Commander-in-Chief, Mod Squad said hello too. Mod Squad, Mobile, Honolulu, bye-bye-bye.